AI is changing everything. This is especially true in the world of photo restoration and repair. Pictures that once took hours of painstakingly tedious time with a fine-toothed artist's brush can now be restored in just minutes. And the great thing is, AI makes this opportunity available to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned photographer with years of Photoshop experience under your belt, or you are just getting started, with a little time and practice, you can have success. Listen, if I can do it, anybody can. I'm no artist. I can just barely draw stick figures. Most of what I know is self-taught, or I picked up the technique by watching YouTube videos. So come along for the ride, and we'll learn some things together.